So what I have written here, alert tag, right? So alert tag, alert means what? It's like a caution, right? It gives like, are you sure you want to open this? Are you sure you want to submit this application, submit this file, right? So in order to pop up those type of message in the applications when we submit something, right? So in order to achieve that, in order to get that part, we're going to use the tag called alert tag. So alert tag and followed with the message. What message you want to display in that pop-up message, the pop-up application and the pop-up. Sorry, right there. So here what I've written, alert followed with good morning SPTNs. Correct. So when this particular page is executed, when this particular page is executed, first this message will execute. Okay, you will find one box, right? It will, you find one box. In that it will ask good morning SPTNs. Then you will find OK button or cancel button. Those two buttons you will find, right? If you click OK, if you submit, like if you click on OK, then this message will be displayed. Hello SPTNs will be displayed in the browser. Okay, nothing but you are giving instruction to the browser that you want to see this message, right? You want to execute this JavaScript like that. Okay, so we'll save this one and go here, refresh. See, the background is blank, right? The background is blank and it's loading. You can see here it's loading, means your browser is waiting for your request. Now the browser in wait, the browser is in the loading state, right? It is waiting for the user request. Either you want to click OK, then that part will be executed. What part? That JavaScript part will be executed. Okay, I'm giving OK. That message is being read. Good morning SPTNs. This page says good morning SPTNs. This is the message I given in the alert statement. In the alert tag I given this message, so it is displayed in this box. So if I click OK, then only that particular JavaScript will execute. Then whatever is there in the statement, that will display over in the browser. I will click OK here. Now you can see hello SPTNs, SPIT college. Okay, this is what the alert message will do. Alert tag will do. Right. This is also one of the widely used tag in any browsers. Right. In any web pages, you can you want to do like this pages, like in order to get that rectangular box, right? Pop-up messages. There we're going to use this alert tag. Okay. Yeah.